Gonzaga.
What's up, Alec?
Hey, we're here at Halloween Horror Nights, second day.
2021.
Day number 2. Actually, second day for him. He was there opening night.
Opening night. I know.
Oh, look, here's the camera.
Yeah, I'm about to take more pictures, that's why.
There's no go-go dancers?
No go-go dancers, so that's a minus for Horror Nights already.
Agua frescas?
No.
No agua frescas. Alright, let's go get scared. It got slacking.
Wait, what was that thing Gonzaga said? The water hose? Someone said it was like... What happened? Someone said like the water hose or something. The water hose? Just go. 2, 3. Oh yeah!
Who got it? You want this? Yours got stuck.
Yeah, mine got stuck. Oh well, next time.
Because you have to eye catch it, so I got him that way.
Bad.
Oh,
hey, chill
Saga.
out, bro. Chill out. I don't want no love. One more.
Long Island iced tea. For V.
For me.
Oh, thanks to Daniel, the man.
Hey. No problem. Got it.
You excited for today?
Dude, I couldn't wait for today, man. I couldn't sleep last night. Yeah, it's so weird. Like, you know, we've been on lockdown forever, and now we're getting to do things, especially horror nights. It's like my favorite one.
Right.
So yeah, I'm ready. Let's do it.
Let's do this.
Do it.
Is it like, what's the
Delicious.
That's a pretty color.
Just some tea, guys. Tea and orange juice. That's all. Yes, please.
Yeah, first phase.
I'm scared.
We're going to TRAM. So, the Forever Purge, the ultimate purge.
Oh shit.
We're ready. I used to work here at Universal, fun fact.
Was it a full fact?
Kind of. Sponsor me, Universal. Sponsor me.
Hey, sign me for free. I'll work here
Right?
for free, fool.
It's possible he wasn't going to get the same card as us.
That's true. But we got unlimited, so
Yes, we did.
we're
They
gonna do
look
this like
this. Here you go. They look like this.
yeah. Oh, look so VIP.
Unlimited.
Yeah, exclusive. What's that shirt? Scare
Limited
Squad.
edition, fool. Limited edition.
Scare Squad Society. Help her! Oh, bye.
She's about to get jumped. She's about to get jumped, fool.
Weapons of Class 4 and lower have been authorized for use during the purge.
They're like all hiding.
Wait a second, don't open the gates, thank you.
bar by Base Motel. That was
Pretty good.
kind of freaky, yeah.
Not bad.
So, I mean, I do the scaring. I don't get scared.
I just like, I'm in it for the scenery. Oh, you got that.
Oh my goodness. Are you gonna ask me a question? Yeah, we're gonna take a picture with Norman Bates. His mother.
4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Oh, yeah, they did it 12. Yeah, 12 more. Crip, on the floor.
Me on the floor.
On the floor. Here you go. Here you go. Oh, I got you. Go ahead, Trent. Oh my god. Not the bush.
Hey. Hammer time.
It literally looks like anarchy right now. Yeah.
It's a devil. Oh! Is it a statue or a real person? Oh shit! They got me! And the Britney song. What's on?
Let's go!
This town ain't big enough for the both of us, Jimmy Fallon. Ah!
Sick how they did it.
Howdy.
I was like waiting for something to happen and it didn't happen and then it happened.
Oh, that's honest, I like that part.
You get scared?
Say to all the haters.
You didn't hear me screaming?
So that was the Terror Tram, the Ultimate Purge, Forever Purge. I got scared maybe once. I did jump once. Alex saw that.
It's pretty
But
good.
it was good. It was good. Well, honestly, in my point of view, I feel like it was a little shorter, but the display, scare actors did a great job. So, ready for the next mazes, and
Our Nights is doing something.
they're doing. To me, it's like it's up there with my favorite year, 2016.
2018 is my favorite. I'm gonna stand on it.
All right. So, we'll see you guys later. We got Long over here.
Scary. It's scary.
We'll be heading to the lower lot right now to hit up The Exorcist and Texas Chainsaw Massacre. So we just got off Terror Tram and we got the unlimited express pass. So we can go to every single maze multiple times. So let's hit those escalators and those stairs. Stairs and escalators.
Oh, no way. Where?
time.
So it's funny because, like, as most people know, I'm gay, and I can see all the gay people in the park based on how they do this.
Smoking in the starway, and that means you monster.
Like, they just mob through the park, and it's so funny. All the gays.
Oh my god.
Like, literally the gays, bro. I love the gays. I said that really loud.
Hey, but it's nothing bad though.
Remain standing.
Story time, that's it.
Take one to no one.
Yeah, period. Period.
Put that on a shirt. So we're in the lower lot. We're on our way to the Exorcist. So.
Hi there. You are good to go? Good to go?
Awesome.
Thank you.
Exorcist time. So it is a maze. We do gotta wear a mask. So let's put it on. Get something that matches with your fit, you know? Here we go!
Let's go!
Upstairs isn't my daughter.
Excellent day for an exorcism.
That was the Exorcist maze. Oh my gosh. I was a little scared. Like it got me like
It got me a couple times.
oh, it got her a lot of times. So we'll do the Texas Chainsaw Massacre next.
Yes.
We were like,
It's cool. It wasn't a soundstage, but I didn't see no difference from 2016.
Yeah.
So they had a lot of black wall. I wasn't a big fan of that.
Yeah.
So I mean, it is Hollywood to me. So
Yeah.
Hey.
It was good. Well, that guy.
like it?
we just changed it to 120.
We have to see as much of the bad and macabre as they were to see that day. For them an idyllic summer afternoon drive.
So far, car nights? Good.
Best.
Good.
The events of that day lead to the discovery of one of the most
Vibe check is good.
in American history. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
You